guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 7 of my holiday series. In today's video, we're going to be getting my outdoor ready for Christmas and also for my annual holiday party. Okay, you guys, so it was finally time to get our outdoor space ready for the holidays, and the first step in order to do that is to power wash the entire space, and also we need to wash our furniture. Outdoor furniture is white, so you know how it could get with the weather here in Florida, and honestly, I haven't been doing a good job at covering them. So the hubby is here helping me out, which I appreciate so much. So shout out to the hubby for helping me. Esta traducción es para todas mis bellezas que me dan mucho apoyo por acá y solo hablan español. Quiero decir que yo las leo, yo las veo, las quiero mucho, le agradezco mucho y en un futuro pienso hacer más videos en español, pero por ahora quería dejarle un pedacito en una introducción en español del video de hoy. Así que hoy vamos a estar limpiando nuestro patio, nuestro frente y vamos a estar decorándolo para las fiestas navideñas, y de paso le muestro un poco de una fiesta que hacemos todos los años para celebrar con nuestras amistades cercanas. Así que espero disfruten el video de hoy y feliz Navidad. So the hubby was in charge of scrubbing all the furniture because, let's be honest, it's a hard part and my back was killing me at this point. So I was just in charge of the pressure washer machine and, you know, spraying everything down. And I think this is the moment when he realized, what the heck did you just cut me? You know, I kind of probably put the pressure washer water too close to him. This kind of boo-boos happen, and this is why you have to wear the right shoes and the right, you know, tools when you're pressure washing your house. Don't be like us wearing our sandals, that it's not the proper thing to do. But boo-boos happen, you guys. Sorry, babe, but he's gonna be fine. You know, I cleaned it up and I wrapped it up and we continued to clean our house. So when we were done cleaning our backyard, we moved to the front, and in the front we still have like a bunch of fall decor. We moved all of that out, and we also power washed this area really well as well. So when we were done with all the cleaning, the hubby started hanging all the Christmas lights, bringing some of the outdoor decor for the front yard as well. So things were moving right along. Christmas was definitely coming to the outside of the house finally. And here I have my two good neighbors that are amazing. Shout out to them. They're helping me create this beautiful pole that we're going to be adding some Christmas bells to it, and it's going to go by the mailbox. It's going to look so cute, you guys. And both of them did it to their house, so when you drive through or block, it looks so cute. So of course we have to join the festiveness, and they're helping me create one for my mailbox as well. Remember the little Christmas trees that I got? Told the hubby, please remove the rocks. He was not happy at this point already. He was super tired, but he did it anyway, so thank you, babe. And then he started hanging my string lights in the back of the pergola, and we also did it on the terrace where we have the sofas. And you guys, this at night looks so magical. The next day, it was time to get my front porch ready for Christmas. For the front door, we kept pretty much the same planters that we had previously, but we're gonna add this beautiful LED red poinsettias that I shared with you on my Christmas haul. Then I did get 2 new outdoor rugs for the area, and this year I ditched the wreath and I added a big red bow to my front door. And you guys, I am obsessed with the way the front door looks. Super, super, super obsessed. It was finally time to bring my biro nutcracker. Can you see my smiley face? I was so happy. This year I decided to leave him all white because it kind of matches with the theme that I was going for. But maybe next year we would do some DIY to this guy right here. A cute little metal present that I got at Ross this year, and then this little metal trees that I got last year at Walmart. To finish this area, I also added this cute little Santa Stop Here sign with the candy canes. You guys, it turned out so pretty, this little area here now when you're walking in the front of the house. For this space here, I decided to switch my covers. So I got new pillow covers from H&M. You guys, this year they had like the most beautiful pillow covers, super affordable. I would try to link them for you in case they're still available, but I'm not sure. So I'm just gonna use those pillow covers this year. Look how pretty. Decorate the patio. I kind of work with a lot of the things that I already had. As you can see, I already have my planters there. So I'm here switching all the pillow covers, and then I set them up like this, and then I decided to change it because you know when you step back and you look at things, you're like, hold on, let me move things around. And that's pretty much how it usually happens with me. You see me, I come back and I'm like, nope, let's put one on each side. And then I brought some little Christmas tree pillows that I had and put them next to it, and it looks super cute. Then I'm gonna wipe down the table before I add the decor, and I just wrapped up a garland to create a centerpiece and added some candles that I already had, and that was pretty much the centerpiece for the coffee table here. But last year I used these LED poinsettias that were white in the front of the house, and this year I'm just gonna use them back here, and they turned out so pretty. They give the greenery that the space, you know, it's going for. And this year I got these cute little bells at Ross. Those are new. I got a set of two, and I thought, hey, let me put them by the planters, and they turned out great. I'm gonna also add this stand here and put a little Christmas tree that I had, which is so pretty at night, you guys. It gives the most little night twinkle effect, and that adds some greenery into the area as well. So got new pillows at Marshall's for my outdoor day bed, and these are also the green theme. And for the kitchen, I'm adding this little Christmas trees, one each side of the grill, and then I'm adding a soap here with a cute little Christmas tree stand. I'm gonna be hosting a annual Friendsmas party, so I was also getting the space ready. But this is how pretty much everything looked right after I finished decorating it. I was really happy with the way it turned out. It's simple, and I honestly didn't spend so much money because I work with a lot of the items that I already had from previous years. And you guys, this is how the house looks at night. It is super cute and magical. I did added some inflatables for the kids because you know they love that. We have the elf on the shelf, we have a little duck, we have big Santa back there. And you guys, it's super cute and festive, and I honestly loved how everything turned out. The hubby and the neighbor added some Christmas light to our little palm trees that are still growing, but I love that they put it also on the palm leaves. It looks super cute and festive, you guys. And look how the back looks as soon as it starts to get darker. The light glow, it's real. I love it. So the next morning, it was Saturday and it was go time. It was time for me to start prepping for my annual Friendsmas party, and I decided to share this with you on this blog. So here's everything that I'm using. I love these arches. It comes in a set of two, and I got the covers, everything from Amazon. So I will link all my party favorites from Amazon for you guys here. And for this table, I'm just adding a table linen that I already had with some red runner. And here we're gonna have our food. So I'm adding these buffet dishes that I got that I am seriously obsessed. This is like the third time we use them. Look how pretty the table setting turned out, you guys. And I didn't have to buy anything new because all of these items I already had at home. The only thing that I bought was the plates and utensils, and they're plastic, by the way. This is how the other side turned out. And at night, you guys, do you see this glow? I mean, how stunning this space looks at night. Mom made all the yummy food. I made the salad. She made a seafood paella for me. She also made pernil because it's the holidays, and arroz con gandules. The food was absolutely delicious. I set up my little bar here, and then it was time to party and spend some quality time with closest friends. Guys, thanks a lot for watching today's episode of my holiday series. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas to you and yours and many blessings. See you all on the next video.